dimineața tuturor, bine ați venit, așa că ușor cred că putem începe această conferință.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome on behalf of the German Society of Trenchless Technology. I'm very delighted to attend the first Trenchless Romania. An important part of our work is to initiate exhibitions and congresses abroad, to provide the global exchange of ideas and experiences in trenchless technologies. Therefore, we have supported from the beginning the idea of this event. Essential from our point of view is the regular exchange of ideas and experiences. Therefore, the conference should be held annually, and we should try to intensify the cooperation between the RSTT and the GSTT. I enjoyed to be in your beautiful city. In cities like Bucharest, no-dig technologies are indispensable. And I hope we get the chance to bring in our experience of the last 30 years in the field of trenchless technologies.
The purpose of the Romanian Trenchless Society is to promote the trenchless technologies in Romania and to see some progress in this field, which will show noticeable benefits to the society in terms of costs, efficiency, in terms of aspects related to environment, and not last but not least, to comfort in urban development.
I'm working within the trenchless industry for approximately 20 years now. For me, trenchless is more than only a technology. It is an inspiration. For me, the trenchless industry is more than only a community of companies and people. It has become a kind of family for me. So I hope you feel, I'm convinced that you will feel this inspiration today, and I would like to invite you to become part of our trenchless idea and family.
You can cover nearly all dimensions from inner diameter 25 mil up to 1000 mil. So the method is suitable in general for house connections, which is also very interesting, and also for the main lines. So you have a method who's suitable for all applications, for all pipe sizes, and for all kinds of pipes.
You know, the world is getting smaller and more interconnected. We are active on all continents. Of course, a lot in Europe, in North America, and what we see more and more that in urban areas, trenchless is the definite solution. We are talking about big cities like Bucharest, like Warsaw, like I'm going to present you today. It is not possible anymore to block the city with large-scale works which are happening by open cut, and also economically and socially. The hindrance of other technology than trenchless for urban areas are a thing of the past in our opinion.
You can see through the important projects that we developed and we installed and implemented here in Romania, it's a very active subsidiary of SPR Construction Group. So starting with 2005 and then up to today, we grew and grew, and now we can say and gathered more technologies and we managed to show that Romania earned a place on the map within the SPR Construction Group.
2 years ago, we delivered the biggest machine in the world, which with diameter of 17.6 meters for the Hong Kong Road Tunnel. So as a company, we are quite complex. We can offer the whole systems, whole technologies to put underground pipes from 100 millimeter up to this 19 meters, which we have right now on our desk, design desk.
De ce oțel? Pentru că oțelul e flexibil. Oțelul e foarte rezistent, știm foarte multe despre oțel, e folosit în multe feluri de mult timp. Oțelul este aprobat și poate fi produs în diverse variante. Pot să mă joc cu calitatea oțelului, pot să mă joc cu grosimea lui, pot să mă joc cu felul în care îl izolez și în felul ăsta să-l folosesc în foarte multe aplicații.
Amiantit is the biggest GRP pipe producer in the world. As I said, 3 systems can be used for trenchless installation. The first are pipes, flow-tight pipes, circular pipes, what can be used for renovation by slip lining installation. We introduce the pipe inside the host channel and fill the gap around the pipe after the work.
Trenchless technology applied is cheaper than a conventional solution. Just for your information, the budget that was calculated for this project for the bridge, for the conventional solution, it was twice than the budget for the horizontal drilling. I'm also very honored to say that these lengths with 520 meters and the dimension 800, it is the biggest project done with ductile iron pipes in Romania.
So if you want to lay a new or an additional medium supply line into an existing building, you always have to make a connection from the main supply line to the building. And one way to make that connection is to dig up the whole way from the main supply line to the building.
The system is a combination about this steering tool, the front steer, equipped with a down-the-hole hammer. And this gives us the possibility, later on we will see some job site pictures, to go with this guided overboring system even in hard rock conditions. Smallest possible diameter is 400 millimeter OD. Let's talk about very shortly about the machines, because the methods what you have seen until now are applicable with all of these different machines. We have compact machines for very small starting shaft for inner city projects. We have long frame machines, for example, for crossings, pipeline projects, where you have more size for the starting shaft. And we have the so-called LSC machines, which is a mixture of both.
Ne pregătim să vă arătăm soluții foarte simple de reparat, rețele de apă și canalizare, care pot scuti o mulțime de bani. Ceea ce vrem noi să vă prezentăm este soluția de reparare a canalizărilor folosind roboții de inspecție video de la Rausch și sistemele de reparare canalizare Quick Lock. În felul acesta, țevi de până la 800 de milimetri și pornind de la 150 pot fi reparate la adâncimi începând de la 1 metru și terminând la 12 metri, în funcție de fiecare proiect, cu o investiție foarte mică și cu utilaje foarte puține.
As a service, we provide individual technical consultancy. We can help to give answers on following points. Which checking technology can be used? What you have to consider? And which soil investigations are necessary. We can give information on cost efficiency calculation and model tender specifications. We have technical documents for planning and implementation, and we can give special seminars for trenchless technologies.
So there you can clean on the one hand side with the high pressure pumps and special nozzles, and on the other hand side you make the coating also full automatical with this system. You're also able to work by hand, manual if you want, but this is a bit more successful. You also can work with injection materials, as I told you. We not only sell grouting materials for injection, we also have resins in our product range. And the second or another step of coating, instead of manual working processes or the automatic system for manholes and shafts, is wet spraying.
The axis. The axis is, I would say, it's a similar system to what we heard from our colleague today from Bortec, although there's a significant difference. It's a laser-guided boring system that allows you to do on-grade water, sewer, pipeline, whatever gas, what you need, currently from between 8-inch and 18-inch diameter. I would say the main difference between the axis system from the Nair and what you've heard before is the fact that as you're progressing in the ground, you don't use augers to displace the soil, but you use a vacuum excavator.
That's working for us the most convenient, and for us here in Romania it's Ronet from here Romania. Bentonite itself, we use it for a lot of different applications. HDD, vertical, oil and gas, civil engineering, microtubuling, iron ore and pelletizing, soil improvement, and the latest one is nuclear waste disposal. We bury the nuclear waste underground and we seal it off in layers under a layer of bentonite, so we don't getting nuclear problems over several hundred years for our little children.
Cu această procedură se pot instala țevi sudate longitudinal, în spirală, fără sudură sau îmbinare, țevi cu acoperire de protecție. Grosimea peretelui țevilor trebuie să fie ales în concordanță cu forța de impact a utilajului. Deci se poate, de exemplu, folosi un ciocan mai mare pentru țevi mai mici în diametru. Dar atunci trebuie luat în calcul că peretele țevii trebuie să fie mai gros ca să reziste impactului.
We do have a very strong focus on pipe systems which aim at no-dig installations. I come to that later on. And the media are clear. It's gas, water, but also sewer and fiber to the home, cable duct applications, and also industrial applications.
So for the socket, for trenchless application, you need a protection. The biggest dimension or diameter is the socket. Socket has to be protected because we have here in this area a socket protection with rubber sleeve or with PE shrink-on sleeve, and this is a protection metal cone, steel metal cone, during the pulling in.
Job site, so impregnation of material can be done months in advance, and all heat cured systems are pretty close, have to be pretty close impregnated when they're going to be installed. So just an example, these products can be stored in warehouses for a period of 3 months up to 6 months, and conventional conservative heat cured systems need to be mixed, like an epoxy resin, for example, has to be mixed 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours in advance of installing. So this gives everybody a much more flexible time frame, and today it allows us to perform job sites all around the world with a very secured material, and I think this is the key advantage of this system.
UKSTT is a not-for-profit society formed in 1993 for the promotion of knowledge, use and awareness of trenchless technology systems and techniques. The UKSTT is affiliated to the ISTT, which has over 3,500 members worldwide, and we're happy to support the Romanian society. We all have one common aim: to advance the science and practice of trenchless technology for the public benefit.